Tinggal.
Salam dulu.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. New friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find your passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Namanya lapangan rumah sakit.
Ini kalau lapangan Sambolawan kan di sini.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who got it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams is a modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something not as topical. Rub it on and let you go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off and knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Kalau masuk kepala sini bisa, nggak apa-apa. Kalau bisa tuh lewat kok. Banyak. Di belakang mana motor? Nah, di belakang gua. Makannya baru. Lewat. Beca nggak bisa, kan ke beca, bannya sebelah. Kalau mau masuk ke istirahat.
Masuk bang. Kan kambing.
Salam nih bapak-bapak ini.
Salam. Salam.
Sepatunya susun di samping itu ya. Samping itu susun.
Sepatunya susun samping. Sepatunya susun samping. Sana bang. Susun samping sana.
Ini tamasyanya ini, kita lihat.
Minum boleh minum. Oh, jangan. Minum aqua.
Assalamualaikum. Waduh, dapat kamar kamu ya? Wih, ada kipas, dapat tidur. Wih, enak sekali. Sabar. Wih, makalah sekalian bah. Enak kali ya main di kebun, dapat kamar. Nah. Ini lampunya gelap kali ya.
Hidup lampunya.
Nah. Dan merokok kalian dalam ya.
Minum boleh?
Minum boleh. Dua kamar rumahnya ini, bukan mes. Wih, ada dapurnya. Wih, keren kali. Mana 3 kamar?
3 itu depan sana.
Hah? Ada lagi kamar? Mana kamar? Rumah kecil tapi 3 kamar ya? Tipe berapanya nih? Wih, kelas kali 3 kamar. Banyak buah kolong ya. Hah? Tambu? Itu. Hah?
Ini raja tambu.
Guys, jadi orang ini ngantri mandi.
Ingat, kamu jangan ada di raja. Kalau patah, main aja. Oke?
Apa Pak?
Main aja.
Patah?
Main aja. Sumatera Utara ya.
Jualan es di pinggir lapangan. Cik nopal pindah tuh. Jualan es pinggir lapangan.
Apa?
Berapa Wak es rajasnya Wak?
Ekstra ini bukan ekstra Jos.
Oh jadi
Ini namanya kalpanak.
kalau pada mutu terjamin berarti ya.
Multi
Kuali-
irisan.
Kualitasnya
Kualitas aman.
extend.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad guards, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many